Hello children, today I am going to start the new chapter of maths. Chapter name is patterns. Children, when you look into the surrounding, you will see many beautiful patterns. For example, when you will see the walls of your bathroom or kitchen, you will find that some beautiful patterns have been made using tiles of different colors. As you can see here in this picture that different patterns have been made using the different colors. Similarly, on the cloth also you will see some patterns, like at your home of your bed sheet, you can see that some patterns have been made with different colors. So what is pattern, children? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. So children, by solving some exercise questions, we will see how to solve the patterns question. In exercise 8A, your question number 1 is color the boxes to complete the pattern. So here what we have to do, we have to first observe the pattern carefully and then we have to complete it by coloring. So here in the first question you will observe that one square shaped box has been made and one line is drawn. The above part has been colored orange and the lower part has been colored green. Similarly, in the second box also you will find that the above part has been colored orange and the below part has been colored green. So same pattern we have to follow here. Okay, so here the below part has been already colored green, so we have to color the above part with the orange color. Okay, so like this you have to fill it. Now similarly in the second box, first we have to draw the lines between the two corners. So like this we will draw the line first, then the upper part will be colored orange and the below part will be colored with green color. Similarly, in the third box, first we have to draw the line between the two corners and then we have to color the upper part with orange color and the below part we have to color with green color. So children, like this you have to complete the pattern and you have to color it properly. Now children, in the second example we can see that here the first box has been colored yellow, the second box has been colored blue, again the third box has been colored yellow. Now fourth box we have to color it. So what will be the color of the fourth box? It will be blue in color. So we have to color the fourth box blue color and then we have to color the fifth box in yellow color and the sixth box will be colored again in blue color. So children, like this you have to complete the pattern. Similarly, the other three questions will be done like this. First you have to observe the pattern carefully and then according to that you have to complete it. Children, next question is color the tiling patterns to make them beautiful. So here the tiling patterns has been given and you have to color it to make it beautiful. Children, you can do color of your own choice. You can fill any color according to your choice. So here I am coloring this part with yellow color and this part I am coloring with red color. Okay, again I will color this part with yellow and this part with red. Children, this is up to you. You can fill any color according to your choice. Children, like this you have to do. Okay, so this question will be done in similar way the above we have done. Here also you have to color the tiling patterns of your own choice. You can fill any color to make it beautiful. Question number 4 is, how many different tiles have been used to make the following pattern? Write it in the box. So here we have to find that how many different tiles have been used to make this pattern. So children, here you can see 1 and 2. 2 tiles have been used to make this pattern. So here in the box you will write 2. Okay, now question number 5 is, draw and color a pattern of your own choice. So here you have to draw the pattern of your own choice and then you have to color it to make it beautiful. Okay, so you can draw any pattern of your own choice. Now children, next exercise 8b. Complete the following patterns. So in exercise 8b, question is complete the following patterns. Here we have to first observe the patterns which is given carefully and then we have to complete it. So here you can see first one square shape box has been made and then 2 lines have been made. One vertical line and the other is horizontal line. So after drawing the 2 lines, the box has been divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has been divided into 4 parts. So for convenience, I am naming this as first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Now here you can see that first, second and fourth part has been colored green and the third part has been colored orange. Now in the second box, here also first the box of square shape has been made and it is divided by 2 lines and here also 4 parts have been made, first, second, third and fourth. Now here you can see that now here the fourth part has been colored orange and the first, second and third part has been colored green. Now in the next you can see that here first, second, third, fourth. Here the second part has been colored orange and the first, third and fourth part has been colored green. So similarly first we will draw the square shape box like this and then we will draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. Okay, and here we will name it as first, second, third and fourth. So first you can see that third part of the box has been colored orange and the rest has been colored green. So here also we will color first, second, third, fourth. Third part we will color it as orange and the rest part we will color as green. Okay, children, you will draw it with a scale properly. Now next, again first we will draw the shape and now here you can see that the fourth part has been colored orange and the rest part has been colored green. So similarly we will color the fourth part as orange and the rest part will be colored as green. Okay, now again we will draw the shape. Okay, now here the second part has been colored orange and the rest as green. So here also we will color the second part as orange and the rest part will be colored green. Children, like this you have to draw it, and you will draw it properly using a scale. Children, next example is, here you can see that first one circle has been made and inside the circle one line has been drawn, so it is divided into two parts. Okay, so the first part of a circle has been colored pink and the second part has been colored yellow, or you can say that the above part of a circle has been colored pink and the lower or below part of a circle has been colored yellow. Okay, now in the next figure same shape has been made like this, and now you can see here the first part or the above part has been colored yellow and the second part, or you can say the below lower part, has been colored pink. Now in the third figure you will draw the third figure similar to these two, and now again you can see that here the first part or the above part has been colored pink and the second part or the below part has been colored yellow. Okay, so similarly we will follow the pattern. First we will draw one circle and inside the circle we will draw one horizontal line. Okay, now first you can see here the first part or the above part has been colored pink, so we will color this part, the first or above part, with pink, and you can see that the second part or the below part has been colored yellow, so we will also color it with the yellow, the below part. Okay, now again we will draw the shape, and now you can see here the above part has been colored yellow, so we have to color the above part yellow, and the below part has been colored pink, so we will color the below part, lower part with pink. Now here again we will first draw the shape, and now you can see here the first part has been colored pink, so again we will color the first part with pink color, and the below part has been colored yellow, so we will color the below part or the lower part with yellow. So children, you have to complete the pattern like this. Okay, so in the same way the other patterns will be done like this. First you have to observe the pattern carefully and then you will complete the following patterns. Children, next exercise 8C. Observe and write what comes next. Children, here the number patterns are given. Here we have to observe the number patterns and then we have to write the next number. So in question number 1 you can see 8 is given, after 8 11 is given, and after 11 14 is given. But we know that after 8 9 comes, then 10 comes, then 11 comes. Similarly after 11 12 comes, then 13 comes, then 14 comes. But here after 8 directly 11 is given and then directly 14 is given. So here we have to first observe the number pattern and then we have to write the next number. So what has been done here children, that here for getting the next number, that is 11, we have to add 3 to the previous number, that is 8. Here the next number is 11 and the previous number is 8. So here we have to add 3 in 8 to get the next number, that is 11. So when we will add 3 in 8, like 9, 10, 11, then we will get the next number, that is 11. And here also, for getting the next number 14, we have to add 3 to the previous number, that is 11. Now here the next number is 14 and the previous number is 11. So for getting the next number 14, we have to add 3 to the previous number, that is 11. So when we will add 3 in 11, 12, 13, 14, we will get the next number 14. So similarly, for getting the next number, we have to add 3 to the previous number, that is 14. So when we will add 3 in 14, 15, 16, 17, we will get the next number, that is 17. So children, like this, first we have to observe the patterns and then we have to write the next number. Now children, in question number 2, see, first 1 is written, then 22 is written, then 333 is written. So what we have observed here, that first 1 comes, after 1 2 comes, and after 2 3 comes. Okay, so first 1 comes, so it is written 1 time. After 1 2 comes, so it is written 2 times, so 2 is written here 2 times. After 2 3 comes, so 3 is written 3 times. So similarly, after 3 what comes? 4 comes, and we will write 4 times. So for 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you can see here that 1 comes, then after 1 2 comes, after 2 3 comes, and after 3 4 comes. 1 is written 1 times. After 1 2 comes, it is written 2 times. After 2 3 comes, it is written 3 times. So after 3 4 comes, and we will write 4 times. Okay. Now children, in question number 3, first 200 is given, then 190, then 180 is given. So here, for getting the next number, we have to subtract 10 from the previous number. Okay, so when you will subtract 10 from the previous number, that is 200, you will get the next number, that is 190. Okay, similarly here, for getting the next number, that is 180, you have to subtract 10 from the previous number, that is 190. Okay, so for getting the next number, we have to subtract 10 from the previous number, that is 180. So when we will subtract 10 from 180, we will get the number 170. Okay, 180 minus 10 will be 170. So children, similarly, the rest of the question will be done like this. First you have to observe the number patterns and then you have to write the next number. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you children.